have a saying in the business that failing to plan is planning to fail. We often see that around the vacation home because people have just taken care of it for decades. And then they assume the next generation down will want to keep it up. And then all of a sudden, one brother says, well, I live in Connecticut. You're here in New Jersey. I'm not going to get to use it. I don't want it. So you think that house is going to stay intact for your children and your grandchildren. And when the fight breaks out, if you don't have it inside a trust or a limited liability company, you have the forced sale of the real estate. You have what's called a partition action occurs because one sibling forces the other one to sell their interest in the property because they want the money and they don't want to be partners with a sibling. And that creates a horrible mess amongst families, and future Thanksgivings and Christmases and year-end celebrations are ruined as a result of the failure to plan. And we've seen houses get lost because the houses haven't been maintained. Someone didn't pay the insurance. There's a fight over the money. So storm damage occurs. They didn't properly upkeep the insurance coverage. So it's a shack that gets wiped out, and so now there's no more house. The house doesn't get rebuilt, and the house is lost. And all those memories are just that. So you don't have the ability for future generations to make memories. Your children shouldn't have to hire lawyers to figure out how to properly handle an inherited beach house. But the value of the real estate will get chewed up by two lawyers fighting back and forth over children's interests because they're not clearly laid out. It's not unusual in a dispute over real estate that's worth a couple $1 million to spend tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees over a fight. I've seen a family fight for 2 years over a roll-top desk and a chair. Imagine how long they're going to fight over the beach house.